The time of Hijrat had come, and along with his companion, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, along with his beloved companion, with his beloved friend, Hazrat Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, reached the cave of Thawr. And Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, the point to note here is that he was a very well financially stable person. He was very successful in his financial endeavors, yet out of respect and utter love for the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu at first went into the cave himself. He did not let the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, enter the cave first. When he went into the cave, he did not realize that he was such a big successful person financially and economically, and in spite of that, he went inside the cave first and he cleaned the cave first for the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and then he tore pieces of cloth from his shirt and blocked the holes of the cave. And the cloth was finished and there was one hole that was left, and that hole he closed by placing his blessed foot onto the hole of that cave. And in the meanwhile, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, also entered into the cave. And when the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, came, he placed his head onto the lap of Hazrat Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu and slept. Now, when the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, was resting, at that moment, the hole on which Hazrat Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu had placed his foot, there was a snake behind that hole. There was a snake hidden in that hole. He started to bite upon the blessed feet of Sayyidina Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and he did that quite a lot. And in utter pain, Hazrat Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, a tear fell from his eyes, from his blessed eyes, on the blessed face of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. As a result, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, woke up, and when he woke up, he saw that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, saw that the eyes of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu were teary. He was in tears, and he inquired, "Oh Abu Bakr, what has happened that you are crying?" And Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu expressed that, "O Prophet of Allah, O beloved, a snake behind the hole bit me, and as a result are these tears which fell onto your face, on your blessed face." The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, then rubbed his blessed saliva on the feet of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, as a result of which his feet, the pain went that instant and he got the cure. My friends, the point to note is that this was the love of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, that he could accept being bitten by the snake again and again, but he could not accept that any kind of pain or any kind of trouble reached the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. He accepted the snake biting Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq again and again, repeatedly, but he could not accept, he could not tolerate that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, be in any kind of trouble. This is the degree of love that the beloved friend of Allah, that the beloved friend of cave, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, observed for his beloved Prophet, peace be upon him.
Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, and don't forget to like, comment and share this video.